civil space services, then to car production. We have shipping industry represented, we have the energy industry represented, and also we have workspace and furniture design and development industry represented. And this really is interesting to me and excites me.
From a successful project, the benefit would be adding value to existing industrial products, lowering the cost of updating, and introducing innovation into products that are already in service.
From the marine perspective, I think what the program is going to assist is going to bring a unified platform of communication between all stakeholders, and this will have benefits in terms of cost saving, better times to market, mutual capital knowledge space, which all this together, I think it's innovative themselves.
The Use It Wisely project differentiates between the product level and the business model level. So the question answered are, how can we increase the implementation rate of innovations at the product level, but at the same time understand how do we have to change business models in order to have a sustainable implementation of these innovations.
What really excites me about this project is the fact that we are working in an aspect, in an area, in a methodology that can affect major areas, major sectors of economy, like transportation, space, energy, and all the other clusters of this project. If this is successful, then I believe it will have a great impact for Europe and for our economy.
I think we have a new era coming up for 3D representation of factory data. This representation will be replacing the CAD data that we can see and also the 2D blueprints that we have from factories. And it will give a much more realistic view of the factory with much more accuracy in the future.
In particular, we will look at the production system at Volvo and how we can improve in different ways in that system. So we have a lot of challenges due to the fact that we are present across the world. We have several production plants all over the world.
I think our customers really need something like upgrade services, and today maybe we are not able to serve them that well. We are very well with service and very good with new products and equipment deliveries, but maybe we are missing something in the process.
I think we can learn a lot on how to use new technologies. For instance, 3D scanning can help us to be more aware of the situation in the production facilities and how we can take more accurate decisions if we have better information at hand.
The Use It Wisely platform is a generic platform which can help the participants in introducing or increasing the rate of introduction of new innovations in existing high capital assets and high capital products.
It draws on a collaborative environment, multidisciplinary platform to shape future practices.
A new methodology, a new way of doing business, which will be much more efficient than in the past and will create big advantages for the future, not only in Europe, but all over the world.
We contribute with methodologies, especially system dynamics, modeling and simulation. This is a methodology to model nonlinear, complex social systems. A second methodology is organizational cybernetics and managerial cybernetics. And with this you can model complex organizations and introduce feedback thinking. And the last methodology we can contribute is about business approaches, business modeling approaches, and how they can be used for the project partners.
We expect at the end of the project to have a clear demonstration of how we are able to capture the needs of multiple customers and to configure different commercial space systems or the same commercial space system for different purposes through the use of simulation and through the use of modeling, so simulation generated by modeling. So we really are thinking out of the box, and we are trying to do as much as possible to improve what we are currently doing.
If we find a way, a method to, whatever it may be, in the end, to simplify or to make more efficient, to change high investment products, we can actually test that in real life situations with real customers of ours.
We could devise a platform that really changes the perspective, so is more customer driven, and so it's easier to have very quick development cycles in developing products or services, and more tailored on the customer needs. So especially in some high capital intensive industries, it will change really the perspective. So this is quite innovative, I think.
I think this basically can increase the competitiveness of companies, because we have the opportunity to increase the quality of the products or of services that these companies are providing to their customers. And I think that with the ideas we are going to develop, they can give an added value to their products and services.